Welcome back to StudyNest. So today's Thursday's tip is gonna be about glasses. Hey glasses, get lost. Alright, so in this video I'm going to give you tips and tricks on how to remove your glasses very quickly. So without any further delay, let's jump on to the first trick. So this video comprises of 3 parts. The 3 parts are namely exercises, the foods to eat, and then a surprise. Starting off with the exercises. Put your finger like this and concentrate on the nail, alright? And move it across and don't turn your head, only turn your eyeballs. And there is no rushing, just go calm, speed, it's not a race. Go calm. And do this at least 5 times. Now after you're done with it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because each side 5 times, so 5 and 5 it is 10. So after that 10 times, put your finger again to the middle, and after each and every exercise, just rub your eyes a little bit, because it actually, for some people, it actually causes some eye strain or something. So just relax your eyes by doing like this. Alright, next again put your finger in front of you and then concentrate on the nail and move it up, down, and after that do that again 10 times, 5 times up, 5 times down, so totally again 10, and then again put your eyes to a rest. Next you have to move in circles. So if you're not comfortable with using your finger, then you can do it manually by looking at all the objects in your house. Like that. Then again take a rest. And after that comes the finale exercise. All you have to do is rub your palms until there's warmth, and then like that. So this actually calms down your eyes. And also one more thing you can do is, as soon as you wake up, you can many people splash water on their eyes, but because you have eyesight sort of stuff, you can do that. You can put a mouthful of water, which makes your eyes to expand, and then wash your face without throwing the water in your mouth. We have to see what we eat. Eat mainly carrots and spinach. And also you can eat green leafy vegetables. And the last is the very special tip. It is that I've seen people wearing specs 24/7, but don't do that. Only use your specs when you have difficulty of seeing. Now let's say that you have a disease, you have eyesight for looking for far off objects. Then only use your specs while seeing far off objects. People complain to their doctors that they're getting eye strain, they're getting headache. Doctors claim that they are not using their specs 24/7, and that's what's happening. And if they wear also, then it's taking time to adjust with the eyes. I'm telling you, this is absolutely wrong, because this is training your eyes. So only use your specs while seeing far off objects. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and ring the notification bell for my latest updates. Until the next video, goodbye.